everyone. Today we will talk about beauty and how to get rid of black dots on the face in simple ways. And so let's start. Black dots on the face look unsightly and without attention to the problem. Over time, they are joined by inflammation, which cannot be eliminated without medical help. What are black dots and the reasons for their appearance? Black dots on the face, which are otherwise called comedones, appear in most people. This is especially active during hormonal changes in adolescence, in women before menstruation, during pregnancy. With the onset of old age, the production of sebum and sweat decreases, so the rashes pass independently. Androgens have the greatest influence on the work of the skin glands. In adolescence, there is a physiological jump in the concentration in the blood, and both boys and girls even before the appearance of the first menstruation. But not all teenagers have pronounced cosmetic defect. Sometimes there is an increased sensitivity of the sebaceous glands to androgens, then even a normal level of the hormone will lead to skin defect. Sometimes there is an increased sensitivity of the sebaceous glands to androgens, then even a normal level of the hormone will lead to skin defect. Hormonal causes of blackheads in women are associated with gynecological diseases. With polycystic ovary syndrome, the maturation of the follicle in the ovaries is disrupted, so the concentration of androgens in the blood increases. The skin pores secrete a lot of sebum, so the face looks constantly greasy. The appearance of black dots is also associated with other factors. 1. Violation of personal hygiene. With a tendency to comedones, it is necessary to properly clean the face. If you do not remove dirt and dust particles at the end of the day, they will clog the pores even more, form conditions for the reproduction of bacteria and the appearance of inflammation. 2. Improper nutrition. Black dots occur in people who consume a large amount of fatty, sweet food and flour. 3. Violation of the digestive tract. The condition of the skin reflects the health of the intestines and stomach. With chronic pathologies, the production of sebum may change. 4. Unsuitable cosmetics. If the skin looks oily, it is necessary to use special non-comedogenic creams that do not clog the pores. Cosmetics can worsen the condition of the skin with black dots, increase the number of clogged pores, or cause their inflammation. When choosing a cosmetic product, it is necessary to avoid mineral oils in the composition. Lanolin, squalene and red coloring pigments are dangerous for the skin. We remove the black dots with the help of masks. 1. A homemade mask made of juice or milk, 100 ml is enough, and a couple of spoons of gelatin. Preheat the milk, add gelatin to it. After half an hour, put it in a water bath in a saucepan with water, and stir until the gelatin is completely dissolved. While the mask cools down, prepare the skin, take off your makeup, wash your face. Apply the mask in thick layers on the areas with black dots with a cotton pad. Half an hour after applying a thick mask, it's time to remove it, starting from its edge at the chin. After removal, you should wash your face and apply a moisturizer. 2. White clay. One of the most effective remedies for dots is white clay, kaolin, which can be found in the form of a powder in any pharmacy. Mix the powder with water to get a sufficiently thick mass and apply it to the problem areas, avoiding the area around the eyes and lips. After 15 minutes, you can wash it off. 3. Kefir. Another simple way is to apply kefir on the skin for 20 minutes. Thanks to the acids in the composition, it is able to dissolve skin fat, getting rid of black nodules. This mask is especially effective if you have oily or combination skin. 4. Baking soda. From what is always at hand, you will also need ordinary baking soda. Pour the soda into warm water and apply the resulting gruel on the face for 40 minutes. It is recommended to make such a mask twice a week for a month. As they say, cheap and angry. 5. To prepare a mask to remove black dots on the nose at home, you can also use oat flakes, salicylic acid, lemon juice. Pharmacy products the simplest and most effective way, but unfortunately, not solving the problem forever, is to use patches. Patches, which are also called beauty stickers. Their fabric base has a special shape, thanks to which the patches are easy to stick on the area of the nose wings. The patch should be used when the skin is steamed and the pores are open. Its impregnation, penetrating into the pores, softens comedones and removes them without damaging the skin. After removing the napkin, they remain on the surface of the skin. Remove them with a cotton swab and wash your face. For a long-term solution to the problem, you should choose a cream or gel against black dots. It is applied in a thin layer after cleansing the skin. The cream should contain salicylic acid, which helps the natural death of particles and renews the skin, neutralizing bacteria. Another component of such creams is benzoyl peroxide. Such tools not only help to get rid of black dots but also improve the complexion. Some even stop using tonalka. But this method has a downside. Creams with alcohol components in the composition dry the skin, and the sebaceous glands begin to compensate for moisture loss and produce even more sebum, which means that the appearance of comedones is provoked. Thank you for watching the video to the end and you have discovered something useful for yourself. If you liked it, you can put a like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Today we will talk about beauty and how to get rid of black dots on the face in simple ways. And so let's start.